here on behalf of Celluma, and I'm happy to talk to you guys about our newest addition to the family, the Celluma CONTOUR. Okay, so now to get started, you have your Celluma CONTOUR right here, fresh in hand. It goes without saying, but it's always important to first start by opening the box, and as you commence your unboxing, you want to make sure you take a moment to read through the manual, familiarize yourself with it. A really good tip to adhere to is once you take it out of the box, you always want to start by pre-shaping it. The two most common positions that we tend to use and recommend are the C shape, which is kind of more, as an example, a dome shape when you go from ear to ear over the face or over the waistline. And then the S shape. The S shape specifically is beneficial when you're using it aesthetically to treat skin and wrinkles management that allows you to cover the entire frontal part of the face, beginning from the hairline, down the chin, neck, and décolleté in a single treatment. When it comes to using it specifically for contouring, you go over the waistline, across, and you'd be using the contour base from the 3-panel system. And then the 2 accessory wing panels would then go on both upper thigh areas. You also have the flexibility of only focusing on one thigh area at a time. You can also use it on your back, going again, following the waistline but towards the back, or if you wanted to run it full length of a spine, because you do also have the ability to use it and treat for pain. The idea is that you just always want to place it as close as possible to the skin tissue, no matter what program you're running and what you're wanting to focus on, as well as making sure that you apply it on clean, bare, dry skin. You don't want any potential clothing that can get in the way from the light to be absorbed, as well as any lotions or products. In regards to the programs, you have 3 programs to choose from. The first is contouring, wanting to focus on the benefits of reduction and contouring along the body. You're going to opt to select that program. The main thing to consider there is you're going to use that program anywhere in the body but the face. It is not recommended to use on the face. The second program would be the anti-aging wrinkles program. So that you are more than welcome to place anywhere in the body, including the face. And then lastly is the pain program. So anywhere that you should be experiencing pain, inflammation, any kind of discomfort, you would opt to use that program. So having said all this, all right, you're ready to contour.